So on your new iPhone 17 Pro Max, let's quickly see how to use your personal hotspot, check its name, change the password, and connect the other devices perfectly. So first you have to head over to your settings. If you notice that the personal hotspot option is grayed out, don't worry. Just go to cellular and here make sure cellular data is turned on. And from here you will find this personal hotspot. Then simply turn it on from here and you will also see a Wi-Fi password section. This is actually your personal hotspot password. And now tap it if you want to change your hotspot password from here. Now to check your personal hotspot name, from your settings again, then scroll down a bit, tap on General and choose About and then Name. Whatever name appears here is your hotspot name. Now the main part to connect another phone to your hotspot. Just grab the device, open Settings, go to Wi-Fi and make sure it's turned on. You will find your iPhone's hotspot name in the list. Just tap on it, enter the password shown on your new iPhone and it will connect successfully. You can also manage your hotspot from the control center, turn it on or off easily, and even see how many devices are currently connected. And that's how you can easily set up and use your personal hotspot on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.